Hey guys, this is Vasu and you're watching Techno. Guys, Apple has launched 3 new models. The iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max and the iPhone XR. In this video, I am going to talk about the iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max. Guys, the size of the Apple XS and the Apple X are the same. Even the looks are same. The iPhone XS comes with the 5.8 inches OLED screen and the iPhone X Max comes with the 6.5 inches OLED screen with notch display. The screen comes with the OLED display with pixel density 458 ppi and ppi stands for pixel per inch. The main advancement is the processor which comes with the A2 Bionic chip which gives advanced performance. And this processor uses 50% less power and comes with the enhanced image signal processor. The processor has 6-core CPU and 4-core GPU and has 6-core neural engine. The camera on the iPhone XS is similar to that of the iPhone X, but this pixel size is increased and comes with the dual camera setup with 4K video recording up to 60 frames per second. Both the cameras comes with the iOS with 12 megapixel dual rear cameras and has portrait mode with depth control. The front camera comes with the true depth camera with f2.2 wide angle lens and has the ability to shoot video up to 60 frames per second with 1080p video recording. The front camera is f2.2 7 megapixel camera and you will get portrait mode option and various other lighting modes. The Face ID on the iPhone XS and the XS Max is improved and it uses the advanced machine learning technology to recognize changes in your appearance even when you wear glasses or hat. The storage capacity is also improved. The base version has 64 GB and the middle version has 256 GB and the top end version has 512 GB. The phone comes with the dual SIM option, but the phone will not have two physical SIM slots. The phone will have single SIM slot and the second SIM works on the basis of eSIM technology. In India, eSIM technology is only available in Jio and Airtel. The price of the iPhone XS in the US starts from $999 and the price of the XS Max starts from $1099. The battery backup of the XS is also improved and lasts 30 minutes longer than that of the older version. And the battery backup on the XS Max lasts 90 minutes longer than that of the iPhone X. The only physical difference from the iPhone X and the iPhone XS is that the iPhone XS comes with a gold color. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such updates. If you are a subscriber, I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.